So in this video we are going to see about the heart's clinical anatomy. If you are an MBBS student, it will be in the chapter of heart's clinical anatomy, and if you are a NEET aspirant, it will come under the chapter of body fluids and circulation. So what are the various heart disorders associated with it? We will see it in the video. So before seeing this video, if you didn't subscribe for Nitwala, do subscribe and do share it with your friends and like the video, comment your idea below. So it will give a little motivation to us to make us the future videos. So let us get into the video, guys. First of all, we will see in our Telegram channel we created a poll where the question was heart attack means. We asked the question, so we gave about 5 options, which is no enough oxygen to heart, heart stops beating, inadequate blood supply to heart, death of cardiac vessel, and heart does not pump the blood. So these were the percentage of answers was given to each answers from those 5 options. So if you want to join the Telegram channel and answer more questions like this, we will give the link below this video in the description part, so you can join it. So there will be many questions and many question papers available for your NEET and next exams. So most of the people, 48% answered the answer as inadequate blood supply to the heart, which is the correct option. But the sad thing is 52%, that is majority of the persons, are not clear about this thing. We obtained about 528 votes for this poll, but 52% were giving the wrong answer. So we thought of clearing this topic so that everybody will get cleared about it. So let's get into the concept of this. So there are about mainly 5 disorders associated with the heart. Those are coronary artery disease, otherwise called as CAD, otherwise called as atherosclerosis. The second one is angina, otherwise called as angina pectoris. The third disorder is heart failure, otherwise called congestive heart failure. The fourth thing is cardiac arrest. The fifth thing is heart attack, otherwise called as myocardial ischemia. Sixth thing is, that is the extra one, that is not associated directly with the heart but associated with the blood vessels, that is hypertension. So we will see all the 6 things and their explanations and other names. First thing is CAD, otherwise called coronary artery disease or atherosclerosis. This is due to the blockage of the coronary vessels which supplies the blood to the heart. There are separate vessels which supply blood to the heart, those are called as coronary vessels. So if there is a blockage in those vessels, coronary vessels, this causes coronary artery disease. So there is the name mentioning coronary, which means it represents the coronary arteries. Vessels supplying to the heart, coronary arteries, gets narrowed due to deposition of calcium or fat or cholesterol or fibrous tissue. So the lumen of the coronary artery, if it is like this, it gets narrowed due to the deposition of fat. It will get narrowed. The lumen will be very small. This is called as coronary artery disease. The next thing is angina. You will be more prone to this word, that is angina or angina pectoris, because most frequently it will be used. So what is the reason for it is, it does not have enough oxygen. The heart does not receive enough oxygen as it requires. This causes angina or angina pectoris. The third thing is heart failure, or otherwise called as congestive heart failure. Congestive means some compressing action. So heart failure means heart is not pumping effectively to supply the blood to the body. That is called heart failure. You should always remember that heart failure, heart attack, cardiac arrest, angina are all different. So heart failure is always otherwise called as congestive heart failure, because in case of congestive heart failure, the lungs will also get congested during this type of heart failure. So the congestion of lungs is one of the common associated symptom with this disorder, heart failure, or otherwise called as congestive heart failure. The fourth thing is cardiac arrest. In this case, the heart completely stops beating, that is cardiac arrest. So the fifth thing is heart attack, which is called as myocardial ischemia. Myocardial ischemia is different, myocardial infraction is different. So I will explain you. I didn't catch that point in this video, that is the 7th point. I forgot to write that point, that is myocardial infraction, otherwise called as necrosis. That also I will explain at the last of the video. So heart attack or myocardial ischemia, which means there is inadequate blood supply to the heart. So if there is inadequate blood supply to the heart, it is called heart attack or myocardial ischemia. If heart does not pump effectively blood to other organs, If there is inadequate blood supply to other organs from heart, it is called heart failure. So this is the major difference between heart failure and heart attack. So next thing is hypertension. Hypertension means if the pressure is systolic bar diastolic pressure is normally 120 bar 180. If it is more than 140 bar 90, it is called hypertension. It affects the major vital organs like brain and kidney, which is also given in the NCERT book. And the next thing is myocardial infarction that I want to tell you as an extra point. Myocardial infarction means otherwise called as necrosis. So necrosis is a common term which represents death of a tissue, death of a particular tissue. So death of the cardiac muscle is called myocardial infarction. This is the seventh disorder. So there are mainly 7 disorders and other names. I will clearly explain everything. I think it will be clear with this. These all disorders. So if you want any future videos or you want to answer any questions, you can join our Telegram channel, which is the link is given in the below description. And if you want more this sort of videos, you can subscribe to the channel. In this channel we will publish more vlogs and toppers tricks and many study oriented things, and they will give the recent updates. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Like the video. Thank you guys.